10 to 15 years old school morning routine. Once your alarm goes off, your morning routine can feel like a blur. Don't worry, there are tons of quick, easy ways to get the most out of your morning before the school day officially starts. We've put together some handy tips, tricks, and other easy suggestions that will help you put your best foot forward throughout the week. 1. Get your outfit ready the night before. Check the weather forecast so you can choose appropriate clothes. Stay warm in a long-sleeve tee and a sleek pair of skinny jeans, or go for a breezy, dramatic look with your favorite tee and a maxi skirt. A sweater, shorts, and ankle boots could be a great outfit if it's not especially hot or cold outside. 2. Pack your lunch ahead of time. Fill your lunchbox with nutritious, tasty foods. Proteins, whole grains, fruits, and veggies are all great additions to your lunch. You might enjoy a cup of yogurt, or a sandwich with rye bread. Low-fat granola, string cheese, grapes, apple slices, and baby carrots are all fantastic options, too. 3. Move your alarm away from your bed. It's a lot harder to snooze your alarm when it's across the room. As you get ready for bed, move your alarm to the opposite of your bedroom, or some spot where you'll have to actually get up and shut off the alarm. Getting out of bed is the real challenge. Once you're already up and at it, it's way easier to get ready for school. 4. Make your bed as soon as you get up. Believe it or not, making your bed may boost your mood. In fact, some experts also believe that making your bed helps improve your self-esteem. Right after you climb out of bed, smooth your sheets and bedding out before doing anything else. See? You've already accomplished something in the first 5 minutes of your day. 5. Hop in the shower. A cool shower is a great way to wake yourself up. In fact, experts agree that a cool shower can help you feel more alert in the morning. If you prefer showering at night, that's totally fine, too. 6. Doll up your hair. Take a few minutes to brush your hair and choose the perfect hairstyle. Don't overthink this. There are tons of super cute, easy looks you can do without spending an hour in front of the mirror. A simple side-swept ponytail is a great option, or you might try braiding your bangs or slipping on a stylish headband. 7. Do your makeup. There are tons of easy makeup looks you can do before school. Flick on some eyeliner for a cute cat eye look, or add a touch of blush to give your cheeks some extra color. For a bolder look, play around with metallic eyeshadows and glittery eyeliner. 8. Eat a healthy breakfast. A great breakfast gives you lots of energy for the school day. Snack on nourishing foods, like whole grains, protein, and low-fat dairy. Fruits and veggies are other nutritious and delicious options for your meal. Whip up a classic breakfast, like French toast, scrambled eggs, or a bowl of cereal, or go with something more unconventional, like a fruit and cream cheese sandwich. 9. Double-check that you have everything. Create a short checklist to make sure you're packed and ready to go. Do you have your lunchbox or lunch money? Got your books and homework packed? Make sure everything is ready to go, so you don't have any unpleasant surprises during the school day. 10. Meditate. If you have extra time, meditating for just 15 minutes is a great way to relieve stress. Got a big test or project coming up? Meditation is the way to go. Try following along with a guided meditation, or repeating a soothing mantra to yourself. Any kind of meditation will help you feel centered, peaceful, and more self-aware.